just wanted to show you the times. It's the second time I'm doing a very serious video on my channel. The first one was about aging and flaws, which was really nice, but it's always kind of scary to put yourself out there, to film, to show your face, and to talk about serious topics. But even though it's very late at night, I think this video can really help you and save you from not failing your exam. And I was so stressed today. I was really stressed. I didn't go out, and while being in my stress, I still had to revise. I still had to work on my assignments to be able to stay on track and submit my assignments so that I don't fail. And while doing that, I lost tons of time on the phone and looking for answers. But I'm going to save you that hours, lots of hours from looking for answers, because I'm going to give you information. And I know lots of you are not aware of that because it just came in April because of COVID. So I'm a Georgian, and the final date to drop a course is this Friday, and we are Wednesday today, so not very long. So I normally do things for international students because I like to help them, not that I don't like domestic students. So for me, it was really stressful because if I dropped the course that I was supposed to be dropping, I would have to do it in summer, and I'm supposed to be graduating in April. So what that means is that I'll have to extend my student visa, and even though I'm taking only one course, I'll have to pay an extra $1,000. So in order not to do that, there's something that you guys can do. It is called the, now I'm forgetting my words. Oh my god. It's called the course completion contract. That's the name. So it's called the course completion contract. What does that mean? It gives you an extension to finish your course. So let's say, for example, I was doing English, just a simple example, and I'm failing in English, and if I don't pass, if I don't get good grades, I'm going to fail. And so I can take this course completion contract. So who needs to know about that and how you need to proceed is you need to talk firstly to your instructor. Firstly, like, see if you can have deadlines, or if not deadlines, extended due dates, because it's COVID and it's really hard. I know, like, guys, I know how hard it is. I've transitioned in it. Everyone would agree to say that 2020 was just a shit show for everyone. And even though you might see my social media, you might see me smiling, you never really know what's behind someone's life, and my life is definitely not perfect at all. I've got my loads of shit this year as well. So anyway, it's not about me. So yeah, see if you can get an extension. I don't know for other college, but for Georgian, your teacher are super supportive and super understanding, so they would understand that. The second thing is that if ever you had to drop your course, your coordinator, so they are above the teacher, so the program coordinator can adjust for you to have your course for next semester, but of course it's going to come with time, with an implication of time and cost. So the last thing that you could do is actually getting the course completion contract. So you just have to to type that in the search bar. I'm pretty sure other college have it because this is something which has been done because of COVID. But of course, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a paralegal, I'm not from immigration, so please do your due diligence. And so for Georgian, you just have to go on the website and type course completion contract. You'll have a form, fill out the form. So the free person who are going to know that, except from you, is your teacher. So your teacher has to actually agree. He would be like, okay, this person worked really hard, they were unable to finish, so let's give them that possibility of extension. So I guess if I'm not mistaken, it's 3 weeks. I have one friend who did that, so I don't know, she got 3 weeks, so I don't know for this one, so check this out with your teacher. and in this way you don't have to drop and you can finish it, like, because we're actually in November, you can finish it during the break in December. So it's going to be your teacher, the coordinator, and then lastly it's going to be the dean, who's like the head of the department. So I know it's very important, because if you drop people normally drop courses so that their GPA are not affected. So another way so that your GPA is not affected is to finish the course. Well, it depends. If you think you're not going to finish very good, you might want to drop. I'm not, the course I was supposed to drop, I'm not the best at it, like definitely not the best. But I'm different. I'm the kind of person who still want to do it. And even though like I fail, I'm like, it's okay. And I know it's not going to be pretty on my result, but it's okay to fail, and I can get an F, and then I get an A, maybe a B on it next semester. For me, it's fine. I'm comfortable with that feeling, but I know everyone is different. You have a different reason. It can be family, it can be finance. So I wanted to put that out there now. I just thought like there's a limited time, and it took me so much time. I was bouncing back from department to department. So this might save you, and maybe you save your GPA as well. So, and money and time. So that's why I'm putting that out there. But again, as a disclaimer, I'm not a paralegal. I'm not into immigration or law or whatever. So please do your due diligence. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.